Hello everyone, welcome to my talk. Today I would like to present on the topic how the voice of young teachers shape a sustainable Madani society. As we know, a Madani society emphasizes values such as sustainability, respect, innovation, and well-being. Therefore, it is crucial for young teachers to play an important role as agent of change, shaping this value in the young people from an early age. Firstly, young teachers act as a role model for students. This is because their behavior, attitude, and values strongly influence how students think and act. For instance, when students see the teacher showing responsibility and empathy, they are more likely to follow this value. This happens because students often look after the teacher as important figure in their life. They see teacher as guide who not only teach lesson but also show them how to behave in real life. Not only that, teachers also create a structured learning environment by setting clear rules and expectations to guide student behavior. They also make sure these rules are followed consistently. When students show inappropriate behavior, teachers handle the situation calmly and fairly. This helps students understand the consequences of their action and learn to make a better choice. Not only that, teachers have always been expected to set a good example. They are often seen as a light for the student, someone who leads them in the right direction. And because of this, students usually expect the teacher to have a good character, respect others, and act responsibly at all times. Therefore, young teachers should always set a good example for the student. By doing so, they can help build a generation that is responsible, respectful, and able to contribute positively to society. Moving on to my next point, young teachers can connect better with students because they understand current trends and challenges. This makes it easier for them to influence students in a positive way. By this, they are able to introduce innovative and sustainable ideas to their students. Moreover, since they are more exposed to modern trends and technology, they can integrate digital tools into learning while also raising awareness about environmental issues. For example, they can teach students about the proper and responsible use of artificial intelligence. In today's society, many people have already integrated AI into their daily lives. However, not everyone is aware of its impact. For instance, the study has shown that training advanced AI system can consume a very large amount of water, sometimes up to 1 million liters for a single training process. This shows that while AI is useful, it also has environmental costs. Therefore, young teachers play an important role in guiding students to use technology wisely. They can help students understand both the benefits and the risks of AI and encourage them to use it in a responsible and sustainable way. Other than that, the voice of young teachers matter to help strengthen student awareness of their role in the community. This is closely related to the value of a Medani society, which emphasizes responsibility, respect, and care for others. Teachers may organize activities that help students understand the importance of community awareness, such as community service, environmental campaign, or group project. Through this activity, students learn how their action can affect others and the society around them. At the same time, this experience helps students develop important Madani values such as cooperation, empathy, and social responsibility. They begin to realize they're not only individuals but also a part of a larger community. For example, the Camp Madani programs that are held in many schools help to teach and reinforce the important values that students should have in Madani society. This program focuses on elements such as respect, responsibility, cooperation, and care for the community. The activity carried out during the camp are very important because they give students real life experience. Through group tasks, discussion, and community based activity, students are able to practice teamwork, leadership, and empathy. This helps them understand this value more deeply, not just in theory but also in practice. As a result, initiatives like Camp Madani show how young teachers can guide students to live according to Madani values and become a better citizen. In conclusion, young teachers play a crucial role in shaping a sustainable Madani society. They inspire students through their values, innovative ideas, and action while fostering inclusive classroom, critical thinking, and community awareness. Programs like Camp Madani further reinforce cooperation, empathy, and responsibility. We hope that with the guidance of this passionate educator, students will grow into responsible, aware, and active citizens and ready to contribute to a brighter and more sustainable Madani future. That is all from me. See you then.